Hello everyone, my name is Akshay and I'm a PhD candidate in mechanical engineering at Purdue, and in this quick tip video I will talk about how to maintain your research notebook and how to track your progress. In graduate school, students can generate a vast amount of data, which makes it extremely important to store that data in a structured manner so you can make sense of it not just during your PhD but also years later down the road when you need that information. For example, I use OneNote to store all the figures, all the code that I write to generate those figures, all the files that I generate while doing experiments. I write down their file locations, I write down the description of what those files mean, I write down the description of the figures I generate to better understand those figures. I also put down the code which I use to generate those figures inside the PowerPoint slides in their notes section of a particular slide, so I can edit that figure using the code that is used to generate that figure. It's also extremely important in graduate school to track your progress. This can be done by effectively communicating with your advisor on a weekly basis or at least bi-weekly, and having those regular meetings scheduled with also other collaborators that you happen to work with. Having these goals written down also in your lab notebook could be a good way to stay on top of things. Also using tools like monday.com and Trello can really help with daily workflow management during your PhD and help you track your progress.